Okay, question 20. We have 3 points, A, B, and C. A is at 2, 4. So x value is 2, y value is 4. B is 6, 4. So x value is 6, the y value is still 4. And C is 7, 2. So x value is 7, y value is 2. Okay, we want to find the image of the triangle under reflection in the line in the x-axis. So here's the x-axis. And we want to find, let me change color, the image when we reflect through the x-axis. So reflecting through the x-axis means we draw a line perpendicular, and then whatever length is on this side should be on this side. So here the length from C to the x-axis is 2, so it should be 2 here, right? So, and the x-coordinates stayed the same, right? So, or let's draw them first. Same for this, we draw a line like here, okay? We continue it, this is right angle. And you see it's 4 units at the top, so it should be 4 units at the bottom. And the same for here. Okay, so this is C prime, B prime, and A prime. The coordinates of C prime, you see the x value didn't change, right? So we're just flipping it through the x-axis, keeps the x value the same, but changes the y value. So the x, so let's write the original values in. So C was 7, 2, but now C prime is still 7, right? The x value is still the same. The y value is minus 2. The original value for B was 6, 4. Now for B prime, we're still at 6 on the x-axis, but now we're at minus 4 on the y-axis. And for A, the original A was 2, 4. Now A prime, so that means A with this little dash, the x-axis stayed the same, the x value stayed the same, and the y value changed. Okay, so here we got C prime, B prime, and A prime. Now we want to find the image of the triangle under reflection in the y-axis. Oh, so if we're just to complete this, we should draw the triangle, right? Not just the points, sorry. Okay, so the triangle's been turned upside down and put below the x-axis. Okay, now we want the image of the triangle under reflection in the y-axis. So here's the y-axis, and we're going to get the reflection of all these points through the y-axis. So let me use this. Oh, use red. So we're going to go like this, and this was a length of 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we should go 7. 3, 3, 7. Okay. So this is C prime prime. And we see the x value is minus and the y value stayed the same. Okay. For A, we reflect. So again, these are right angles. When we reflect through here, so this was a length 2, so this should also be a length 2. So A prime prime will be minus 2, 4. And then for B prime prime, it's from here all the way over here. So it used to be a length of 6, so it should be a length of 6 on this side. Okay, let me just rub this out because it's not necessary. Okay, A, so this is B prime prime. The x value is now minus 6, right? So it went from being 6 over here now to minus 6. minus 6, and the y value is still 4. Okay, so this is the image of the triangle. If we reflect it in the line, the y-axis, right, this red drawing. Okay, write down the coordinates for each image. So let's just write them down. So A prime was 2 minus 4. B prime is 6 minus 4. C prime is 7 minus 2. And then A prime prime. So when we reflected through the y-axis, we flipped over here. A prime prime became minus 2, 4. So the x value changed when we reflected through the y-axis. B prime prime, right? We flipped from here to here. So we get minus 6, 4. And C prime prime was flipped from here to over here. So we get minus 7, 2.